everybody. Miss Mac here. Welcome to online music class. I have my lovely ukulele and my guitar. Whoa. And we will be making music from home. So how about we try with a special good morning song? Would you sing with me? I'm so excited to work with you today. I hope you brought your singing voices. I brought mine. And we can do all sorts of songs together, even though we're far apart. We can still come together online and make awesome music. I think we know a special song called Five Little Monkeys. We can say it just fine. 5 little monkeys jumping on a bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, what'd he say? No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Yeah, but I think because this is music time, we should sing it. How about a little something like this? 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How many are left? 4. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How many? 3. Yeah. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How many are left? 2. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. How many? 1 left. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oh my gosh. There are no more monkeys left. We're at 0. Wait a minute. Mommy got up. She went into the monkey's room. She looked at the monkey's bed. What did Mommy want to do? She wants to jump on the bed? Oh my gosh! I can't believe it! Mommy, the mommy's jumping on the bed. Mommy got up and put her head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, what did he say? No more mommies jumping on the bed. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Wait a minute. The doctor got up. He went into the monkey's room. He looked at the monkey's bed. What did the doctor say? He wants to jump on the bed? Oh my goodness, I can't believe it! Oh no! Would you help me sing along? Doctor, the doctor's jumping on the bed. Doctor got up and bumped his head. Doctor called the doctor and the doctor said, no more doctors jumping on the bed. On the bed. Oh my goodness. I think that's the end of our story today. We had 5 monkeys jumping, and then we had a mommy jumping, and then a doctor jumping. Oh my goodness. That is so much. I had so much fun singing with you today. I hope you keep singing, and then soon we'll be back together for our online music class. Stay tuned, and I'll see you soon. Bye.